Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to install the chrome deletes for the wheels for the 2019 Kia Forte. So this is how it looks before the installation. It's just your regular chrome rims, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the material that we use for the installation is the gloss black material. That way it matches the color scheme of the vehicle. Link for the product will be in the description below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So before starting the installation, we want to make sure we clean the rim first to remove any dirt or any contaminants that the rim might have. Okay, so to start off the installation, we want to make sure we start from the bottom piece here. Make sure you have enough material to cover the chrome on the bottom piece here, and then just work your way in installing the rest of the film. And everything should just sit into place, just like that. And if you need to fix it, you can. And any small fingers that you may come across, you just remove them with heat. And you just rinse and repeat the same process that we did here for the remaining ones. Fix it, tack it down, and it should connect there. Okay, and then once you're done installing all of them, the last thing to do is post heat all around to ensure that the film stays onto the rim, and after that you're done. Okay, so that concludes installation for the wheel chrome deletes for the 2019 Kia Forte. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video, make sure you're subscribed, and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any upcoming installations. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.